Say hi.
Hi.
This is Monica. I'm gonna say it like Jeff Dunham.
I'm not gonna say it like that, but hi, I'm Monica.
And I am Brista. And that is probably really zoomed in on my nostril or something like that. Because I had it zoomed in. I'm gonna try to zoom out. I think I just zoomed in further. Oh, there we go. I was zooming in further on my face.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Oh, well, your face. Shut up.
Your mom.
My mom will screw your mom. Dude, she totally would. I mean, wait, no.
No, it wouldn't.
Why? Why would it not be awesome? Dude, did you hear that? Oh, it vibrated. It totally vibrated. You see that? You see that? Oh, if you can decipher that, you're cool. Look at that. Look at that phone. That's a gay phone.
Yes, it is.
That's a gay phone.
Shut it.
I'm trying to hold the phone and text at the same time. This is hard. Look. Oh, that's cool.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh my god! I'm filling an empty chair. I just sat in the chair and I'm gonna put that right there because I'm cool and it's probably like recording my titties now. Dude, I'm totally showing this chair to them. Oh, dang. And they're gonna be like, ooh, I just saw her titties. I'm gonna be like, you know what? You're a sick-minded little fool.
There's a mirror.
I'm gonna have you come in front of the camera.
Yeah, right.
I was not gonna rape you.
I'm sure.
It's not dark outside.
That scares me even more.
I love you too.
I'm scared.
I love her. Jared, if you're watching.
And she's gonna rape me and I'm scared.
You don't even know what I said. Shut up. See, I went there. Did he just get really quiet?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
This is kind of questionable. Wait, whoa, where's he at? Yeah, where's that?
Oh, Meg!
I see him.
Meg!
I see him. Oh, crap, I'm stepping on your
You're stepping on a tissue box, you little whore.
Hey!
Yeah, that's right, I called you a whore. I called you a whore.
Like,
I had to make sure that it didn't get smaller with this. Never mind. Monica, you should talk to the camera while I go. What the? He got quiet. Dude, I totally just wrecked Monica's hearing. I'm cool.
I think I went blind in my right eye.
Blind in your right eye. What's this supposed to mean? Call me fat? Is that a fat joke?
Yes, maybe it is.
Say that to the camera. Call me fat. Call me fat. Call me fat again.
I didn't call you fat.
Liar. Call me fat.
No, I didn't.
Look at that Twilight t-shirt. That's a gay Twilight t-shirt. That is so gay. Look at those hands right by your crotch. Look at that knee. Look at that knee with the hole in it. That's
God.
sexy. Look at my jacket. You got your butt on my jacket. The whore. Oh, there. Oh yeah.
It wasn't
Alright.
even on my butt.
Shut up. Yes, it was.
Oh, okay.
Look at that bed. You're just laying all over it. That's just
I am. Isn't it hot?
so hot.
Mm.
What should we say? What should we say?
I don't know.
Say hi, Monica. Say hi to Monica. I know you're not saying hi.
Hi!
Not you. I was telling the people that are looking at. Oh my God! I just zoomed in on your nose. Hang on.
I'm sure that's beautiful.
Oh yeah, look at that nose. Oh no. Look at that G. Look at that G. If I go any lower, you won't want me to go any lower.
No.
Let's go lower.
Let's not.
Oh, well, there's an arm. Let's go lower. Ah! Do you see what I see? Not what we saw.
Sorry.
See that. Well, first, there's her itty bitty titties. Itty bitty committee.
Hi, who did you say?
Was Queen of the itty bitty titties?
No, not that. Who did you say it to? It was me and it was Lexi. Me
Yeah.
and Lexi. That was funny.
You and Lexi, me, well, her and her friend Lexi are in the itty bitty titty committee.
See, she could never join that because look at that. Look at that.
Don't make fun of my titties.
I'm not. They're just too big.
They're just special. They're special.
Just like you. Just.
What's that supposed to be?
It means that you're a special little person.
Your mom's a special little person.
I know, right?
I wouldn't go to sleep tonight. See this? This is my penis. This is gonna go up your bum like this.
You have fun with that, Russ.
And then my braces will be like all up. Never mind.
Yeah, no.
I won't go there. Nathan will kill me. I love you, Nathan.
She's gonna rape me. Save
Zoom
me.
in on your face.
Oh well.
Dude, I just totally made out the camera. It's all like,
That's beautiful.
flash my titties again.
Of course.
Not really. It's like, I actually had a picture like that where I was like, and
Oh, it's
like,
beautiful. I'm sure.
I'm sure Jared's found it. He's all like, that's hot. I'm gonna be all like, oh god. And then he's gonna watch this and he's gonna leave a comment and he's gonna be like, he's like, I love you, but you're a I'll be like,
Damn. You realize that they couldn't say that.
see, it's like, oh, and then it's like,
Are you enjoying that?
yes, I am.
I can tell.
Dude, I totally just, boom. I'm about to fall off this chair. Dude, if I crack my skull open, this is gonna suck bad.
I would laugh.
I love you. That's supposed to move.
I told you I would laugh.
You said you guys might crack my skull open. You didn't say anything about me just falling over.
Well, of course I'm gonna laugh at that too.
I didn't do it. Now say goodbye. Goodbye.
She's waving.
Push the button.